Welcome back. Today I'm gonna make the coconut ice cream. So first I have my little skin machine. If I need this, my whisk, vanilla, sweetened condensed milk, my plastic wrap, my Cool Whip, white sugar, right, and also spatula and my measuring stuff. As always, I make my ice cream in the same container. You can always change your container because I don't want to be changing containers all the time, right? So here is my Cool Whip. There you go. There's my Cool Whip, right? Now what I'm gonna do is if you don't have one of these, you can always use the whisk. All right, slide it in there. Go ahead. Just gonna get a little salty and mushy, you know. There. Then I had my vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Set that aside. Set that aside. Then I go in. As usual, as I say, I normally like, you know, have it in the bottom and then I bring it up a little, not too far because it will splatter all over you, you know, just to get everything even out. Right? It doesn't matter what brand, my coconut milk. I'll pour some in it. Depends on how tasty of a coconut you want it. You know, I just eyeball it. That's like about 2 tablespoons. Let me shut this off. If you have the odd brick coconut like this one here, you can use it also. You can it doesn't have to be this big, really. I'm gonna just use a little piece. See, just a little piece. You don't have to be that big of a size. So what I'm gonna try to blend it out in it. In the meantime, I'm adding my sweetened condensed milk. Again, I'm gonna eyeball it, anything from it. So I'm gonna add about, say for instance, 3 tablespoons of milk, condensed milk. Because what I'm gonna add a little bit of confectionery sugar to it, so you don't want it too sweet either. So the milk is already sweet, you know, so I'm gonna do a little sweetening. I think that's about it. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of the confectionery sugar. Just for now. You know what? Let me go ahead because I don't want to keep tasting it or whatever. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Right, that should do it, right? Good. Now this is the final touch of it. Up and down, you know, to get the bottom and to get the top even out. Wow, look at that. It seems like an ice cream already, right, you guys? Yep. That's off. You know, I think it has enough coconut for me. I don't want. No, I'm gonna go in again. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So, close the wrap. Wrap it. Okay, Mama, you don't have to wrap it, as I say. You don't have to wrap it, but I wrap it to keep everything in. No, the air goes in by any form. These are means. Shake that bad boy. Yep. All secured and tightened. So this one is my coconut ice cream. All right, I'll come back to you and show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching, guys. What your freezer level is at. That's how it should be stored in the freezer, not the refrigerator, the freezer. 7, 12, 24. I don't know what level your freezer is, so depends on how fast your freezer freezes. All right, guys, I'll be back.